Dongguan Longwang. Today we will take a deep dive into the 9 key points of CNC parts customization. This will not only help us understand the complexity of CNC machining, but also provide with strategies to achieve efficient and precise customized machining. Let's get started.
Number 1. Drawing design. First, let's start with drawing design. Drawings are the blueprint for CNC part machining. What elements should a qualified design drawing contain? Let's take a look. Dimensional and geometric requirements, such as linear dimensions and angles. Material specifications, including type, grade, and other important information. Tolerance requirements, that is, the allowable deviation range of dimensions. Surface requirements, such as roughness and finish. Assembly requirements and quantity. Graphic expression and part legend. Other necessary parameters. These are all key information to ensure smooth part processing. Number 2. Material selection. Next is material selection. Choosing the right material is crucial to the performance, quality, cost, and processing difficulty of the part.
Number 3. Communication and coordination. Communication and coordination are also indispensable in the CNC parts processing.
The processing process involves multi-type links, such as design, processing, and quality control. Clear communication and coordination can ensure that all links have a unified understanding of the processing requirements, avoid misunderstandings, and adjust unreasonable processing plans in time. Number 4. Equipment selection. Equipment selection has a direct impact on processing quality, efficiency, and cost. Different parts require different types of machine, tools, and cutting tools. Number 5. Machining process planning. Reasonable process planning can minimize processing time, reduce costs, and ensure processing accuracy and surface quality. Number 6. Processing parameter setting. It includes cutting speed, feed speed, cutting depth, etc., which directly affect the processing quality, efficiency, and tool life. Reasonable parameter setting can improve production efficiency and reduce costs. Number 7. Fixture and jig design. Correct fixtures and clamping methods can prevent parts from moving, vibrating, and deforming, ensuring consistent machining accuracy. Number 8. Tool path planning. Tool path planning involves the planning and optimization of cutting trajectories. Reasonable planning can reduce unnecessary movement and repeated processing, reduce processing time and cost, and improve the surface quality of parts. Number 9. Inspection and quality control. Finally, we come to inspection and quality control. Through regular inspection and testing, problems in processing can be discovered earlier, ensuring that parts meet design requirements and quality standards, reducing scrap rates, and improving product reliability.
These are the 9 key points of CNC parts customization. If you are not familiar with CNC machining industry or have any machining project that needs course, please feel free to contact us. We are ready to provide you with professional CNC machining services. Thank you for watching. I hope this video can help you better understand the process of CNC parts customization. See you in the next video. Bye bye.